Hello students, in this video we are going to learn how to convert mixed fractions to improper fractions. So fractions are number which are part of a whole number. A mixed fraction is a fraction in which we have a whole part and a fractional part. So here in 4/3/5 we have 4 whole and 3/5 of a whole. So this is a mixed fraction. A whole number and a part of a whole makes a mixed fraction. So let's convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. For converting a mixed fraction or mixed number into an improper fraction, we multiply the whole number with the denominator of the fraction and then add in the numerator divided by the denominator of the fraction. That will give us the improper fraction. So let's find it out. 4 times 5 is 20. 20 plus 3 divided by 5, which gives us 23 upon 5. This is our final answer. We are going to box the answer. Let's convert the next fraction, which is 3/4/7. Whole part is 3, multiply by the denominator, which is 7, plus numerator, which is 4, divided by the denominator, which is 7. So 3 times 7 is 21, plus 4 divided by 7, which is 25 by 7. This is our final answer. We are going to box the answer and we'll do the next conversion. So here we have 5.5, whole number is 5, multiply by the denominator, which is 2, plus numerator, which is 1, divided by 2, which gives us 5 times 2 is 10, plus 1 divided by 2, which equals 11 divided by 2. This is our final fraction. We are going to box the fraction and we'll convert the next one. Whole number 8 times 3 denominator plus numerator, which is 2, divided by 3. So 8 times 3 is 24, plus 2 divided by 3. 24 plus 2 is 26 upon 3. This is our final answer. We are going to box the answer and we'll move on to the next one. The next one is 11 times 2 plus 4 divided by 2. 11 times 2 is 22, plus 4 divided by 2, which is 26 divided by 2. Now here we see that there's a common factor of 2 in between 26 and 2. It is always a good practice to reduce the fraction and write it in simplified form. So that's going to be 2 times 1 and 2 times 3. So our final answer is 13 upon 1 or 13. So we are going to box the answer, and this is how we can convert any mixed fraction into improper fraction. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more math videos. Thanks for watching.